Hi everyone, this is Kushal Jambulkar from Gossip Funda. Let's get started. In this video, we will be talking about different ways to take screenshot in Windows. So, the first method is by using the print screen key. To take a screenshot on a PC, press the print screen button on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can also use Ctrl plus print screen shortcut. Windows create a screenshot of the whole screens and save it to the clipboard. Next, open an image editing program like Paint and paste the picture from the clipboard. You can now save it as a file and do basic editing. Using the print screen key for taking screenshots work in both Windows 10 and Windows 7. So the second step is that we can use Alt plus print screen to capture the active window. Whether you use Windows 10 or Windows 7, you can also take a screenshot of just the active window instead of your whole screen. Open the window that you want to capture and press the Alt plus print screen keys on your keyboard. The operating system saves the screenshot in the clipboard. Open Paint or any other photo editing app and paste the image so that you can edit and save it in your computer or device. The third way is that you can use Windows plus Shift plus S keyboard shortcut. If you use Windows 10, simultaneously press Windows plus Shift plus S to capture a region to your screen and copy it to your clipboard. When you use this screenshot shortcut, Windows 10 dims your screen and show a crosshair cursor. Press the left mouse button and drag the cursor to the mark the area of the capture. Then release the mouse button. If you have a touch screen, draw the area you want to screenshot using your finger or pen. Windows 10 saves the screenshot in the clipboard. Open Paint or any other photo editing app you prefer to paste the screenshot, edit and save it. This feature was originally part of OneNote, but later Microsoft decided to integrate it directly to Windows 10, which is excellent. The fourth way is by using the snipping tool. There are many different ways to open the Windows 10 snipping tool app, but the fastest way to launch it by using click or tap on the taskbar search field, type in snipping tool and then press on the appropriate result. Alternatively, you can also click or tap on open from the right side of the flyout. After opening the snipping tool app, open the window which you want to be cropped or take the screenshot of. After that, click on try snip and sketch. You will see that a window has popped out. Close the smaller snipping tab. After closing the smaller window, click on new and select the object which you want to be cropped. So you can see that we have cropped out the building by using the snipping tool and it's working very perfectly. So I think I was able to clear your problem. If I do, please like, comment, share and subscribe to Gossip Funda YouTube channel. And you can also visit to gossipfunda.com webpage where you will find more tech based facts and articles. Link is in the description box below. You can check this out. Thank you.